Hello everybody, having a little twilight ride at night time on the bike, the electric bike. Yeah, so I'm not sure whether I've got to go left, and then there's a right down there, so I don't want to go 3 miles towards Well, I don't know what it is. I'm in Kelvington at the moment. Right then, so I think there's a left down here, but I'm a bit lost at the moment, so we'll just have to wait and see, won't we? See what goes on. Right, I'm going to set off. I don't know what that is that way. Don't want to go in dark depths down there. Let's see what this left is. What's that one say? Birchwood. What? Oh, some tyres. Right, I've got lights on, haven't I? Right, here we go. Bloody flies in my face. That's it, shut my visor a bit. That's it, right. Oop, car coming. A nice twilight ride. I'm lost a bit. Bloody hell. What's that? Fly tippers. Tyre there. Some more tyres. Somebody's been fly tipping tyres. Tyres everywhere. Some more tyres here, hang on a minute. Got loads of tyres. Anybody want a tyre for the van or the bike? I mean, not a bike, car. Come up here. Lots of tyres there. Or if you want a rim. I hope you're liking the YouTube channel so far. I'm trying to build it up and have some fun, and in these extraordinary times, trying to. It's a funny place. Oop, here we go. These extraordinary times we're in at the moment, just trying a bit of fun for everybody, so I hope you're enjoying them. I think I'm in farmer country. Look, there's a bridge here. Oh, it's gone all dark again. Oh, car coming as well. I don't think I see many cars up here. I'm trying to get my bearings, because I'm sure, you know, if we'd gone left it would have been towards Swanley, right it would have been towards Orpington. I'm not sure. Oh, bloody corner here. So I think this one goes to Swanley. I'm hoping. Oh, I'm out on battery. Well, I am for a few miles. It's like being down in Cornwall. Brookenhurst. I've heard of it. Yeah, I hope you're liking it. Oh, I can smell cow milk now. Oh, cows. The old Farmer Giles is at it again. Yeah, I hope you're enjoying the channel. I'd like to please subscribe if you can. The more the merrier on my journey. Coming over, nice flag. It's a nice cottage, isn't it? I missed a turn. A few cottages. Yeah, I hope you're liking the channel. We're all just here to have fun. Have a laugh. I'll tell you some jokes, but my memory's crap. I can't remember lads' names at work. I'm training some more lads up for driving. If they haven't got a name by John, I can't remember. Well, that's just me. Just me. My memory from a long time ago is this. My short-term memory. What day is it? What year is it? I feel like living here. Looking across and nobody there but a field. It'd be nice, wouldn't it? Oh yeah, I can remember my first motorbike. An RD200 Yamaha. See, in them days there weren't these laws what they've got now. I passed my test on that bike in 1977. RD200. Lovely bike. In them days when he took the test, there was a test controller. He was stood outside the road with his clipboard. Go down there, turn right, come back and turn right again and I'll see you in a minute. And you watch to make sure you indicate it. So then he went on the... Where are we now? Yeah, then he says, when you come across me next time, he says, oh, man, that's good emergency stop. Sorted. Then you had to walk, crawl with him at the side of the road. He'd walk and you had to do your little touch control, crawl with him, do a few signs, and that was it. You got your full license to ride anything you wanted. Yippee! I think I got a Yamaha 750 after that. Where I went now then? Oh, Beefeater. I know what I am now. Oh, that's alright then. Quick, accelerate the car coming. Yeah, and I had my speedway bike. Do a bit of speedway for a while. I can't go left there. I have to go straight down. Let the cars overtake me. I did a bit of what is it as well, but trials riding. I had a Master 250, I had a Bull Taco, and the other mate had a Montesa 250, and we all used to hang out together, 18-year-old, where we lived with a load of hills and stuff. Race. I did that way for a while, and then yeah, a bit of speedway riding. Manchester's speedway rider bike. Can't remember his name. See, told you. My long-term memory. Too far back that is. And yeah, did a bit of that for a while. That's so good. I mean, just it's getting that one speedway ride. It's, you know, going towards the first corner after you full throttle down the straight first corner is making sure you take the throttle off and blip it back on again to get your back wheel spinning, and you turn your front wheel to the left, to the right, sorry, front wheel's going that way, your back tyre's full log spinning, and you got your leg coming out as well, your left leg. Once you master that, you'll be able to, and you don't turn it off going around the corner, you turn it off going around that corner and you'll end up in the fence. Just having the balls to do it. And that was good for a while. What else did I have? Oh yeah, a Yamaha 250, XL 250 I think it was. Not a trial bike, a road bike. That was cool. In the good old days. Oh, this road goes on forever. Come on then, lads, you can overtake me. I'm only going slow, but it's free. Once you bought the bike, it's free, which is good. Old Mason Road. I know I'm going uphill now. Yes, everybody keep your hopes up. and what are we in now, end of May. I must inform you that I've had 2 weeks isolation. Sorry, my daughter, she works at a care home as a nurse, and about 2.5 weeks ago they all got checked, and she had COVID-19. We had to, that night we had to ring work, self-isolate with my missus and my daughter's son, etc. My other son, we had to self-isolate. I had to get a notification for work. It's all like easy to do. You get a notification that you give to your employer that you have to self-isolate because one of the persons got COVID-19, and from that we self-isolated. Then last Wednesday, this has been Wednesday today, so last Wednesday before I went to work, it was on Sunday, last Wednesday we had test kits arrive and we all got tested and we're all clear, so we go back to work. So that 2 weeks were good, don't get me wrong, that 2 weeks were good, but I couldn't ride my bike, couldn't do what, so I had no videos going out. I had to be indoors, back gardening indoors, so we were doing that. And yeah, so it was good. I got a few things done to the bike. I fitted into the Suzuki GSX 250R. I fitted an alarm, I changed the brake pads, I did a bit of cleaning up on the bike, etc. But just missed riding. So yeah, everybody's fine. That's the main thing, everybody's fine. Miss seeing my dad in Yorkshire. I haven't seen him for 8 weeks now. He's 86, and I was in Yorkshire February, March's time, just before the lockdown, and my mum was ill and she passed away, etc. Love her to bits, miss her terribly. Me being in this side of Kent and London, never got to see him as much as I wish I had done. But even when I went back up for the funeral, there was only 5 of us there, my dad and my 2 sisters and my brother and myself, 2 metres apart in the room, and love her. It was a lovely service. And then back and cuddle my dad or anybody. I had to get back in, I had to drive up there 220 miles and get in the car and come back an hour and a half later and come back 220 miles. And I haven't seen my dad since. I can't go up and see him because he's 86 and obviously self-isolating by himself. Talk to him a lot, but I just wish I could see him. And my sisters and my brother up there. But hey ho, it will come, time will come. Right, thank you. Please subscribe if you can, like and hit that notification belly thing so you can get some notifications of all the other videos that I'm going to be doing, which is going to be loads. And nobody waves to me. I wave to everybody, nobody waves to me. Probably because I'm on this. Yeah, please, if you can subscribe, that'd be brilliant. Like I say, now I'm back on the road again, I can get 2 videos every day. So it'll be fun, we'll have some fun times together. Okay, bye for now. Thank you.